Hi everyone, this is Donna from Hollywood, California. It's not just paint, it's Art by Donna. And I'm going to show you today just how to use the UV Light Advanced by Resin. You're going to love these new features. I also purchased this ghost mold from Resin, and I can't wait to show you how I'm going to be using this today. I used it in a few projects and you're gonna love it. This video is part of the Mini Scenes GB Crafty collaboration, Halloween 2024. Please follow the playlist in my description. So, today I'll be using my Resin Clear Hard Type. These little ghosts are so adorable. What I'm going to be doing first is laying down a thin coat of resin before adding that glow-in-the-dark glitter. What I see here is they all have little eyes, and I think we can do that at the ends. I'll be giving you a pro tip about that a little later in this video, so listen for it later. But right now, I notice that these two are pendants. I'm not going to use them as pendants in my next project. And I think it's easier for me to cut this out because I do have a little drill should I ever want to use this as a pendant. So right now, I'm going to take my scissor and I'm going to cut that little, this little piece out. I don't know if you can see that, this little piece right here. I'm going to cut that out because all the rest of them do not have that. Starting out with a very thin layer for the first layer, and then I'm going to speed you up here. I'm spreading that out evenly because I want the layer very thin, and I want to get all those bubbles out. We don't want any showing through, and I do that with a little heat. And now we're putting it in the light for 5 minutes and taking it out. While this cools off, let me mix in some of these colors. Okay, this is the final coat I am using on these, and this is going to be really awesome. Put a little of that black into my skeleton. cute. Just demolding these little ghosts and placing them down before I start using them in my coasters. Okay, here is that tip I was going to show you. You don't have to fill in those cavities with resin. All you have to use is some acrylic paint. Look at that. It's really simple. Just wipe some acrylic paint over the area. Watch closely. Did you see that? Did you see how easy that was? So I think you about get the gist at this point, how easy it is to put that acrylic paint over those eyes. I'll speed the rest up here for your viewing pleasure. Consider that my tip of the day. So I have 12 ounces of Let's Resin High Gloss Crystal Clear into my auto resin mixer, hands-free, and that will stir it automatically with just the press of a button for 43 seconds. If I feel that that is clear enough and done, I will leave it at that. If I think that I need a little more stirring, I will press that button one more time and it will stir it for another 43 seconds. Honestly, this is the best thing since ice cream. I'm now going to split this into 2 cups and I'm going to put that into my Let's Resin bubble remover. I'm not going to show you that, but I will leave a link up above and down below to the Let's Resin bubble remover, and that'll give you all the information you need on how that works. Okay, here we go. I do apologize for not letting you see how crystal clear that is, but if you can just take a look there, there's not a bubble in that, except for possibly when I pour, I may make my own little bubbles, but look how crystal clear that resin is, and that was with using the Let's Resin bubble remover. And I'm pretty sure most of you are going to recognize these ghosts. And I'll leave a link above to my other ghostly adventures with Grandma Kathy last week. But as you will see, we do take a totally different turn in this video. So I am pushing these ghosts down to get any trap bubbles that are underneath there out. So I decided I would take some of my alcohol inks out, and I grabbed the Ranger Sunset Orange and Purple Twilight, because those two always speak Halloween to me. I just throw some in there, not in any particular order at all. So as I'm adding the extra resin here and twirling and swirling, filling up my little skull molds with the extra resin that I have, I'm thinking this is too plain for me. I need to add a little something more here. So over on the side, I do add some ocean white to the extra resin that I have left over. Because you know, I'm never done. And here I go. I'm just putting it all around, drizzling it. I don't know what I'm doing. Yeah, just putting it around, swirling and twirling. Because at this point, this resin is a little warm in my hands. I have to tell you, the white is a little warm. It is staying on the top though. I'm watching it here, and it looks pretty cool. And I'm going, okay, maybe we have something here. So I can't wait. I can't wait for you to see this, because I can't wait to see it. I'm curious myself. I'm interested to see what this is going to do. So I put them all around on my coasters, and then I decide I will put some also into those little skull heads too. So let me speed this up for you, because I know you must be really bored by this time. Yeah, at one point I think I added a little drop of black to that too, and I put that into those skull heads, and then I finished off the last part of that with the last skull. And I'm just going to demold one of these because I can't wait, and I want you to see just one. How cute is that? How cute is that? So I'm afraid my phone is gonna go out. That's why. Look how cute they are. Look how cute. Alright. Let's shut this off. Alright, let's hope this doesn't. Adorable, my little. Oh, how cute are they? They're adorable. How cute. So here we go. And the pumpkin. And the skeletons. Adorable. Okay, I'm only going to do one. They just pop out. Yeah. See, they just pop. Done, 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 done. Thing that you can use your 2 lights for is to charge up your glow in the dark. Look at that. How cool. Now I'm going to ask you, can you see the orange glow around this one? What do you think about that? So I have this pen. Put it out here. That's my PopArt pen. So should I put that around all of my coasters? Please let me know in the comments below. And this is with the lights off. Now I did go very lightly with the acrylic marker, acrylic paint pen from Resin around those coasters. I don't know if you can see it in there. I went around with the orange on the other coasters while I was deciding if I wanted to use the PopArt pen. And those PopArt pens come in yellow, green, pink, white, blue, and orange. How cute is that ghost? Adorable. I love them all. How about you? Let me know in the comments below. I'd like to take a moment and thank all my members: Lena Park Art, Just Janice, Taslima Maya Art, Pinky Chameleon, Art by Sparkle, and Simply Nanette. Also my honorary members, the Traveling Tramps, Dave and Kathy, and those who gave super thanks last month. That would be Lena Park Art, Yen Draws, and Pinned on Places. Thank you to Mini Scenes GB for putting together this grand collaboration. This is Donna from Hollywood, California, signing off with love, light, peace, harmony, and oneness. I Shoot Crafty Kids Club will be next. The collaboration playlist is below.